Hey, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm bringing to you the natural deodorant. I must say you need to stop buying deodorant. Without wasting time, let's just get started. First of all, you are going to need some lemon. I'll use my juicer to get the juice. So I'm going to take a little bottle, and with the help of a funnel and a strainer, I'll transfer the juice into the bottle. The strainer is going to prevent the pulp from getting into the bottle, hence making, spraying very easy. Next, I'll come in with a drop of essential oil. I must say, if you don't have essential oil, you can use a puff of your favorite perfume. So I'll just shake it to mix it up. And as you can see, it sprays so easily. Now, when you get out of the shower, or if you have bad body odor, you just spray a puff on your underarms. If you use this, you do not need any deodorant at all. Deodorants do not neutralize the odor, they just kind of cover it up with their sweet smell. But this natural one over here is going to neutralize the bad odor. It will get rid of it. And not only is it going to give you that sweet smell, it is also going to help get rid of dark underarms. This is very ecological and safe. It doesn't have any unwanted chemicals or preservatives in it. I must say, I always make a little quantity, and when I run out, I make another batch because it's so easy to make. To keep this in the fridge, and this can last up to 5 days. So I hope you did enjoy this video, and I hope this did help you. If you've not subscribed, please don't forget to hit the subscribe button. Don't forget to share this with family and friends, and don't forget to leave me a big fat thumbs up. Until next time, I am going to see you again with another nice and interesting one. Bye bye.